Because you don't play with devil in the sleep and play with the shidong. The more way you pray, and the more way you fight with the devil, and you get for defeat day. When you sit down, say this, so God we don't trade you. No, do na time way you don't enter shock before you know say this, so prayer now the key for life. When we be talk say this, so all man for Cameroon na Thomas. Some say this, so we like for talk, and now they see and see. If they be tell and say this, so one day they could take price them for Kako for up every second for Cameroon when I for agree, but when I see and because when I be Thomas. If they be talk say this, so price for petrol could go up, and then taxi man and Okada man and Klando driver they could just check their price for up before accept. Now when I see them, see them before when I believe. So the only thing way I will advise any person when they watch this program now say, may we put all things now in prayers. Because if you know the pray, no say you do for inside dark. They talk in the come out now for Turiman for LTM, and now here where you see them all. We salute winner for upside. Say me you take your chair, you put on you shit down, no make no noise. Maybe internet about strong numbers. All over water and way water and life for inside country. Say where they call them from Mabanda inside Bonaberi. Population for that side, they know the drink now dirty water and way a small time when we say so some new sick it will enter because for Cameroon now the country where they accept be all sick. So see the kind of water way population for side from Mabanda for inside Bonaberi that they drink and way it not be normal. We could leave that chapter now. We talk Palava waiting now fire. Where it happen for entry Bonaloka for site for Douala. When you come out for site for Carifo Kombi, you pass premise so boom before you enter for play with the call and say for Nuanta for play with the call and say entry Bonaloka. So nothing that will happen. Both people gas a car for that side for some kind way all man a confused. We leave that one now. We go now for site for Southwest for site for Limbe. Place where people go enjoy now for down beach. Now in that way, cable them they don't pass all side and they say they so current and they make plenty people they get a thing where they call them and a small cut way na current. It don't knock them. So they get city mayor for side for Limbe may a try way for go arrange the cable so that the stranger won't come for can enjoy for down beach. It could be free. So road we rush for now road for side for Mabuji for enter for side for Ekondo Titi. Now the time this road we don't see for come out for church person for inside Ekumba for reach for Ekondo Titi. They don't start the fix the road as to the man. If you don't show them, say they so the road a war. Now anyway, one time governor for Cameroon with the president with the minister where the local war all work, they do all and all. We go talk to Palava accident for side for Chanhill. Now some camion way it don't tumble side for that side. Plenty mimbo it there for that home and don't drink. We go for side for Tabiken for talk Palava weti. We go talk Palava this one. Well, honorable Gala Gerard it be go for that side for go open some bridge for need to where they build arm so they go for they make tradition they open the bridge where all man it go to pass on top. Yina a share for most way na the Lord Mayor for Nkambe Council. We could come on now. We come now for grandstand for site for Nkambe. It will be now number 10 day for February for see how CPDM their conference it will take place for grandstand. Minute and for CPDM they will come out. They come plenty because the big man section president when now honorable Ngala Gerard it will come for come and talk with the people them after it begin something them for teachers them where they teach picking them for the sun school them for site from Nkambe Central after. We go yet away. Honorable Ngala Gerard, it go talk. Now either way, go talk for day. Then when we finish now, because it will take place now for number 10 day for February. Number 11 day for February, it will be now 11 February for grandstand for site for Nkambe. We picking them, they be match plenty. But alas, now different thing alas happen. So we could turn back again for inside. School picking them, they be run for that side. Plenty now for hospital, they take medicine. But report we say now only one, it don't die. But mommy and papa them they vex because they be denied me they not enter for look their family members and they're picking them so they still get vex for their heart. We could see now how they be worker mommy them they be vex they worker go for party Cambe with peace plan. Say they so thing where they need them inside in Cambe. Now peace. Say they don't need disorder. Say even a Joe or Joseph we don't come put bomb so they don't allow. Kill people them and then 40 people them what they do now. Some they go chapia foot and chapia hand for site for original hospital and next for site from Cambe. After now when they finish for palace, now prayer for grandstand again. So they not be fear for cash she don't back again for grandstand. They come back for grandstand and then they continue for the prayer so that me devil where he don't bring this a bomb so that me devil he die. We could go to for side for Ako for go meet up correspondent from NJANGI house, Mr. Carter. Now in this way they report. However, this girl where they don't catch him, we don't thief close them for side for Ako, so they don't catch him. As he there for down, they say they so this girl the worker. When you try her close, you know they for corner, he protect him and then disappear with him. Send story for sharp morning time, it tell you say with it. Send story for sharp morning time, it tell you say. Now only time where we it pass when you see years for foul. Now only time when we it pass before you see years for foul. Person was son of we na woman ma priska it should have side for Motengere. Now you don't throw him for we for that side for Southwest. And then eno this SF a catch him for side they call and say from Banga. When I know say Banga, it then inside Mongo and Mongo then for inside littoral, and then littoral it there for inside Cameroon. Now mean then at the come back we go enter inside the talk. Upside because you know listen me they confuse number when I see them for on a television they don't write them for they say WhatsApp number. If you recall the number that means say use yourself, you don't confuse, you don't know what way you do them. Yes, if you get any problem you try for text me. Yes, if you get any problem you text me for WhatsApp or normal message. You not call the program for now but time for calling it come. Minister now chapter 1 na palava waterway it disturb the population for inside Mabanda. Mabanda is going to have site for Bonaberi. I said picking them not get water for take drink. They not get water for take wash their skin before they go for school. Now for this kind of water, where they can't carry for go hotter and then wash their skin before they go for school. And now the very water where they use them for take and cook chop. Now the very water where they use them for take and wash their clothes. Now when people they ask to the man whether it is so, this one not sick, I say this so, cholera in kill a past thing what they call them, sida, but now say for Cameroon, that time will don't happen before all we will understand. I say for side of Mabanda Bonaberi, purpose of that will be suffer. Now when they ask council for Bonaberi, say this so, their own work now only for work I take ticket them, they lock shop them for import liberatoire. Say they say they get for find way for see whether they say what will happen before company where they give water for population for Mabanda before they lock them. So see the way people and see the kind of water way they carry them for go drink them. So with the company where they give water for population for site for Bonaberi, say me they look inside matter. Me they know when that time where people they don't die. Because for Cameroon, we the way some people don't die, so that me they can give envelope for the family. That's why we don't start to sell people them for inside country. We don't start to sell people them for inside country because for Cameroon, when person die, you say this so envelope there where they go for the family. That is the family two way. They are picking, if they die for some kind of thing, they take money. That means say small time we could get market for the sell people them day for inside this country. Yes. We come on now, we reach now side for Bonaloka. Entrance for Bonaloka, we don't know say this is some company where they ever make contact a day for that side. Now they say this has a start the catch fire. And gas go to them a day for inside their house. Now we all man they try way for run because no man is not the combi for fire. I say the fire every day than for some level. Any man will no place where this fire they catch. Eko sabi wait to wait I talk am. Man we no know am, me self I get for Darigi. If you come out with Termini, Saint Michel, you pass for Barcelona, you reach for Bocon petrol station, you leave road where you go for site for Brazzaville, and then you continue with the road where you go for right hand, and then you go straight, you go see a road where you go for Lycée de Brazzaville, Government Bilingual High School for Brazzaville, you leave on for left, and then you go straight. Now for your way, this fire, it happen. For that's where they come out for site for village, you go reach for F Axelo, you take a road where they enter by a ride, you can reach for Kalifu Kombi, you leave road where they go straight for Dakar, you leave the one where they go by a right where they go for site for Bilonge, you take the one for left where they go past Penis for bomb. After Penis for bomb, you reach for this place where this fire in the catch. So a catch, so not of die, but now plenty kako where people them they don't lost some for inside chapter for this fire. Inside Cameroon, they nothing pass and we nothing pass, more nothing pass where a fire a nobody destroy some my business or burn some my house. We get for the play for inside this country because what will happen? No nothing will be happen for 1956 for inside Cameroon. Why it happen now? Now for 2020, 2021, 22, 23, and 24. So I be tell when I say this, so devil in the worker for inside Cameroon. Now with blue clothes and he don't pen the mop with the red color. No man you know the belief they want for Siam. Now that's go to that way don't fire. All place is scatter. I say na entrance for Bonaluka where this fire is start for that side. No man you know people for that side. They call for come up for side from Godi Aqua. Pass for side for play where they call Kayabasi and then reach now for play where they call him for Kilo Medicine for carriage for side for Denye Poto. Pass for Denye Poto. Reach for Saint Michel before it carriage for here. All things it be done born. We talk Asha for man way it don't lost ye Binet Kako. We come on now for site for the Walla, we reach now for Southwest. Which place now for Limbe? Limbe, where we don't take price for the cleanest town for inside country, but now, camera, if you tell we say this so for down beach, cable them. For company with give light, it is pass careless. Any man want open the business place, it go by a cable, now SSF, it collect the light, and will not be normal. And they talk to this so light it is lit for that side, and it shock people them. And for down beach, now for the stranger them, they come out for different country, come for that side, for can't take fresh air. If they come now, current a key person, that means say now and some bad image where they come out for inside country. Now anyway they back. The big man for site for Limbe, where the city mayor made a try way for talk with the company, made a try for organize now, arrange the cable them because the way we pass a no a fine. Me we know when the time way it go keep us in before we enter now for inside work. Any other day we not go get them for Facebook today, but we will get them. If you don't get them after the program, you follow we for we channel. YouTube channel, you will get the program for the when the program don't finish. Now, so we could work. So we will go now for side we remain so for Southwest. We talk about the road where we show them, but I go turn back there tomorrow. Road where we show them for coming from Mabundi. Going for side for the Titi. Time where to them not show them first time, show them second time. They say they so for Komokumba, going for side for Ekodo Titi. It know the work at all. Poto we never run all side. Now, when minister will be look out all work and all road for inside country, he don't look up. He say this so better than say with the population, then shine the eye, they work on top punta. Now, when we see camion the way they pass with Santan, we see caterpillar them, we say country people them. That means say to the man for LTM, they do his own work. When he show him, then see him after they start to fix him. So now we on way for tech fix the country. So the road will go poto and they don't show him for Facebook. Say this so the road. Now, road way to go to the town. They be not show for Facebook. All man we don't see them. But time way to remember we go read for that side. Till we see them, it be see na different thing. Now caterpillar that where it don't come out and then start to play the and say Church Junction on site for Kumba. Start the fix them. The go on site for Ekodo Titi. Small time we could get to Punta for that side for Southwest. Accident way happen for Hill. No man will never get caught. But now, cut away this camion be carry am where it don't spoil and the camion it be carrying a mimbo. I say people don't drink mimbo for side for chang. The one that when they be the travel, they carry mimbo. Choke am for inside the motor. After someone they don't take now a plastic bottle. Now so they open mimbo, choke am inside, open mimbo, choke am inside. No, they say they so. where he overkill for Cameroon, we could do one now. They say time way this road we don't start the pass, we just forget about roadway. They pass through Kenkem. Now in this now, where they kill. They say this so. In Nasemi we make tradition for this route. If not so, one day we will make national cry die. But we know the plea. Say me national cry die will happen. No, we don't have a site for Tabiken and Tabiken na village where they under Nkambe center. This one, any man they work out peace plan say they need a peace. Because they are earning where they come and say time for me, Honorable Gerard Ngala a people for that side for some bridge where they will pick time for that side for quarter. Where they come and say me too, now where they go. 4 people then they become talk say this so time for me come good. Since I'm a title holder for this 4 group. So it the time I them become a friends for talk say time for me come good. Now in that way the worker as we see them. Now the honorable time for me Ngala Gerard where they go for Tabiken and where Tabiken na village he be do fine work for that side. Build the bridge where it will block the population. This one na Kishe, yes, the Kishe dance group for Tabiken where it become to say time for me come good. Now time for me this it never wake up a hope for last and now mommy than this where them two they bring the undance joke they dance picking all the time. Now juju this way they come and say ngam, yes, na ngam that way it don't come out it come for that side. Marble too it will come out. People that from buyer too they talk say this so time for me come good. Till when you don't do it for we you don't do now better work. Mommy them all no woman you know they go for farm. All them they become say this so they get for see tradition where they go make on top the bridge. So now in that as when I see and party people in CPDM they become for come take the honorable so they may come now they bridge this way they be build as when I see them now they bridge this way council for side from Cambe it don't build them and with the time place where they call for Musa this juju that they call and say suffer yes this juju that they call and say suffer now so it the worker it know the talk it know the salute person if you kick your foot for stone that means say the other one them they go so kick up so now juju way this countryman honorable time for me Gerard yourself a day member for inside the juju so they will last now they go down and then for site for market for Tabiken then talk with the population say this so they not make campaign they only make their campaign now with the work now for Musa you shame for Musa when now the not from Nkambe Council, it talk for your population, say this so this time around, Nkambe Central, again for clean. Now, honorable time for me, Gerard Ngala, will now be the MP for that side from Nkambe, they talk to for your people and say this so now honor work, people talk, not in a campaign they make them, but the work where they do them, now we go make them, the population, they go still vote them. If they don't work fine work, they go vote them, but if they work bad work, they don't vote them. Now talk way, it will come out for that side for Tabiket as we see them. We come on now with international side from Cambe for grandstand for number 10 day. Now who again? Now the mayor for side for Cambe Council, where population militant for CPDM, they become for grandstand because they call them, say this so they get for make their conference for that side for grandstand from Cambe. Now anyway, Lord Mayor we talk, now the parliamentarian this again, time for me, Gerard Ngala, where they talk again for the population, and if we talk say this so, it got plenty for shame for most of the Lord Mayor because Lord Mayor he don't overwork for inside Nkambe since I take power. Plenty thing them, he don't fix them for that side. Now we militant they come out all side for inside that side from Cambe Central, then come for grandstand, then talk to this so the glad plenty as they see this countryman. Me we hear now as they dance.
He loves me, he loves me,
Now, the council, a common thing where they call them mulunga for share for militant them, share and two for teachers them, where they don't do fine work for picking them from Cambe Center. Now where they divide, they give them gift, and they encourage them, say this so me them go. That's what before me they not should for us, lay picking them for classroom where they not teach them. Say fine. So they be compensate them for that side. They give them envelope. Yes, they give them envelope for that side, and then they talk to this so anyhow we do. Cambe Center, it was also the go now before. Me we ask them now for the honorable time for me, Jordan Ngala, me Itewi. Kotan, why we not decide to organize the conference now for grandstand? Me we yet we talk.
Like I told them, I'm proud. I'm a proud section president, not because of who I am, but because of who they are to me. So I'm very, very satisfied that we were able to pull this crowd on a Friday and a working day in Cambe by all our militants. We do a lot of agriculture in Cambe, and today is a working day. But then they decided to turn out today massively for this joint section conference. So I'm very, very happy. I'm happy for the council executive. That's why I was congratulating them for the work they've been doing. Because in Cambe, we're only counting our achievements. The difference is very clear. We're not going to come here and campaign for CBDM again. We're only going to come here and ask the people to vote for us. Because they've seen what we've achieved in barely 5 years. So I'm a proud section president, and I'm proud of the list that the CBDM was able to present during the 2020 municipal elections because of what they've been doing. That's why there's synergy between the MP and the council executive. That's why we're able to achieve what we have been achieving, and that's why there is peace in Cambe, because the militants of the CPDM are preaching peace wherever they go to sympathizers and to non-members of the CPDM for us to adhere to peace and to respect state institutions. So I'm a proud section president.
Now we go now for which side? We go for the other side where they call us security. We so remain from Cambe for talk palava. We could talk palava. This one we will talk palava. 11 February how we happen for side from Cambe. Now so 11 February we will start for side from Cambe. As country people them they see them. Now so it will happen. So now so they will march for side from Cambe. Now so they will march for side from Cambe. Picking them come out outside. They talk to this so they get for enjoy that day. For enjoy that day, they get for start with match, and they carry green, red, yellow. Where it also green, red, yellow na place war for the land. And now for grandstand for side from Cambe, where they match. Big people of that side, they will sit down for grandstand for see how picking them they match. And they will carry picture for big man for Cameroon. Number one, where now President Paul Biya, where if we talk, give message for you them for Cameroon for number 10 day. So they will march in the proper. Now small one and this where they march. In those days, you know, for see small picking like this one, it go march. Now CPNS, yeah, Binju, yes. Now picking them for where they come up for side for Binju for come march from Cambe town. Well, this one will show the other one and say this so me then try to for learn how for match. And for match for grandstand, not be an easy thing if you not get hurt. They be match fine. They be match fine. CS and Cambe. CS and Cambe. Now in that. There are plenty. When I don't answer this whole time, will be in a place where peace be there, because when you look for some division or some subdivision, you know go see picking them plenty so. So if you so people say Cambe, it be there with the peace. After the match now, after when they don't finish match, they start now for dance. Forget that for the time. Wait to come next. Me will see them. For grandstand again. Wait till we see them. Now running injustice. Confusion, it happened for grandstand from Cambe. Newspaper because they say both it had for grandstand. Radio they say no, both it had for grandstand. But during man for LTM, you see, on say bomb a bihala na for corner. Few meters from the grandstand. For corners from all less where they come St. John White. For the enter for that side, for Palace from Camden at side we bomb a hala. According to the camera, we come up for LTM, we show we. Can't see how the people they run. Confusion. Now even security for side from Camden, all them they don't come out. Gendarmerie nationale a camp. Army a camp. B a camp. They can't see how the place is there some kind way. The place is there some kind way. People can run. Anybody run the boat on the side way we come out. When I see up, now here they say massa, say makara, say ice cream, say kind thing. Now they way we bomb in hala. When I see up, now here we bomb in hala. But the worst thing where mommy and papa them for side from Campbell they vex now say, tell me this thing in hala. They want to go look whether it is so that picking and they among them block them for entrance for regional hospital annex from Campbell. Tell me this thing in hala. Mommy the way they be said, they both did not fire them for foot. Picking and two when they be dead for chop, he fired them to for foot. Where someone in the way they get for chapter their foot for hospital. This ballot come over outside. Now that the blame say they say na Joe, other people say na Joseph. Finally we will know now say na Joe or na Joseph. Now confusion. Now confusion. See where matter for Northwest and Southwest be start. 2016 town is today. In Campbell no be don't get anything. They no be don't make bomb from Campbell. They no be don't know nothing. Why not now? Where this thing happen? Why not now? I don't look at when I say I'm not John White bar. I be telling you no. Yes, from Saturday back again, we can see that play with that bomb behala. Because some newspaper will just they talk anyhow. We could see the place fine. I be telling you I say John. Yes, John White bar. And for the way the bomb behala for corner the off lesson. No na inside. We could look and because LTM camera it will ever show thing way it don't catch them. Now for this place way bomb in hala and now here way any business woman if you ever can turn up they say kako any day from Bando and for 20 men now so for day now so for this place now the obvious in that when I go see the name now when I go see the name for the obvious now you don't they come for the place so that mean when I talk for the other newspaper and say that they lie na lie bomb in hala for grandstand now for corner grandstand. For corner. Yes. We sabi talk to where we never see him. Man, no go face. He just be talk to where what happen. Yes, we will see him now. The signboard will show. No me in that. John White bar. No me in the East Country people. No me for dead. Now for grandstand. No me for grandstand. We will stop for the timing the name for the grandstand. Ha! They go to sit down. Now for grandstand. Now hospital that the interest. Huh? And grandstand they will on for this side. When I see him, so they just talk the talk. Me we hear the way honorable the talk after the incident. Me we hear.
Someone under the fear. Today 11 February, where we be celebrate as we never celebrate, you know. And that one just a small incident happen. They will know what you will do when happen again. For protect we now. You understand? We know if you leave enemy, make and destroy we know. No be na so. So now all man must be police officer. If you see man we don't know him, nobody will report him. You understand? Any man we don't know him, you report him. Whether the year I talk for the other them. Move be all like one person. Maybe you look any my back. Maybe my look my back. Not be so. Because we don't feel leave up. Maybe someone can destroy we. Not be so. Yes, so that I want to make a move. I'll be assured. Say not get for worry now. You understand? We man not fear nothing. They don't put all disposition in place for make us wanna be safe. So that we wanna continue to go to school fine. All the picking now they don't care they enjoy much part today. They will continue to go to school fine without any problem. And that kind of thing not happen. We will take measures with all security forces we live here. No be so? So that more talk and
So when I don't hear the parliamentarian, he don't talk them. Or don't talk, they come on left and right. Talk to where you see, not talk to where you don't hear na hear. Come back now from place where tradition they don't go round, block all thing, man where you hand there for this thing. When I go see I'm self, never say I'm up. When I go say when I go see where to go pass. Any man when you hand there inside and tradition where they met yesterday. He go talk. Me will go for palace. From Kambe go see him. Me will go for palace. Now mommy that is for side from Kambe. When this is not happen, they turn up in one line. They go say this, so the one go see their pa. When a fun from Kambe. Say the one go for palace. Let me talk for fun. And they go for palace. They turn their fun for the tradition and the time the title holder from Kambe. For the first tradition where they don't make them for 5:30, 6 a.m. yesterday. 5:30 to 6 a.m. yesterday for that very place where that pop Hala. Now for make us say, if I say your hand inside, go for palace, go talk for fun for back. Me know how it could trade you for traditional system. If you should not with the thought, when they go back, you will come for they no will know you. Whether you be they no will know you again. And they also repeat them. Until man can enter your house. When man for house, you never direct your road. Now panable where are the gear. Although it affects some people them. But I talk my own number true. Till enemy nothing enter family. When I'm a family for us, it don't drag your hand enter with them. Mommy don't talk footage you work and stick for up. That means it don't bat. That means it don't bat. All man from Kambe now. They don't wake up for sleep. Now because they don't sleep plenty. Christian way to remind you one action. Now say, with military, with police, with gendarme, how they can plan bomb for corner grandstand where they never catch the people. And now my own question that. Because they don't assure the population status of Kambe security they tied. When you want to come outside for last contact, control you get for people. When you want to come out for camp outside for high school, control them for people road. One man will come up, Mr. J. Camp, control them for that side for police. Man will come up for Apple for Peloton. This thing they so we get for look and find. If we know the Siam, we put spectacle. Not the glasses. Spectacle for Siam. Now, man from Kambe Palace, where they talk for Mamid and say, Pikin na Pikin. When I know na on, we don't die, but Pikin na on. Those where they get for by foot. Now in this story, man, we go for the place again for sham money time, for semi-country people, them they really see where the way it be happen. Where the way it be happen. Well, schoolman is also talk. Council to be there for that side of palace. For talk from Mammy them. Say this so me any woman will calm down. Okay, they go control her. And they go see people them where they don't do this bad action. They go see people them where they don't do this bad action. Now Mammy that it talk. Mammy they talk when I know say this so bad. They don't throw away now that peace plan. See other profession. Mammy they don't come out because they don't vex. And a regional hospital annex that for site from Kambe. Way now for the way those who don't get caught, they did now, they look at them. They did look at them. Now for they now honorable time for me, Gerard Nala, they talk for Mammy them, say this so may them be patient. Because investigation will go on. And with the person so victim me they take careful with them. Me they not come and leave them for hospital. Me they suffer. And those where they don't do this action, when I catch up, Mr. Honorable, when I make camera and film them, so that me will see their face for the people them. And that one I will cover the face for the people and me will see those people. Now because they don't assure, we say they must catch the people them. And I will beg the authority to provide from Kambe. Say as it don't happen, me will not put police and gendarme outside unity. Put the one for police, put up the schools them. When they don't start for corner grandstand, man don't know the next place. When I put up even for church, put up for market. When I talk so, since I wanna be Thomas, when I get for see before when I believe that when a problem. We come on now for that one, we come now for grandstand again. Because they say thing will don't happen, no man no fear. Fund for camp the day. We resolve chief them. Now prayer where they don't organize them for number 12 day. Now yesterday. For the very grandstand, where they say bomb hala, if bomb hala for grandstand go still there so. Imam them come out. Pastor for Christian church come out. The one for Baptist church come out. The one for Catholic they come out. Now honorable than that, now people that will cancel that. Yes, that one now Mr. Oliver. Yes, Mr. Oliver win a big man for some didn't come bank. So now in that way spectacle is done. Use yourself a they vex because you know we know say this thing fit come reach for your own place. Nene put them all them they be there for grandstand and they talk say this so go up come down. They go prayer and God it go catch the people them bring up. Now so from Cambe grandstand that. So the newspaper and the radio where they talk say bomb be hala for here. Now lie people that they lie and lie. Bomb no be hala for here. He hala na for corner. So now preaching and they say they're going to pray every day, every day. Well, see the man. The man don't last go being a pastor. Now so the way day. Now so the way day. When God don't call you for the same message, you go want to no waste time. Yes, no waste time. So now so it will happen. Yes. All title holder them, they will come out. All them. They should have a grandstand. All title holder. Now they fall from Cambe. For those who don't know you, when I don't see it today. Yes. Anyhow, they will ye talk way the pastor will talk now tomorrow. Leave them. Yes, leave them. So now we go go fight for ACO forget what to go happen for ACO. Correspondent for NJANGI has for site for ACO, Mr. Carter. What don't happen for ACO? Maybe she don't quiet. Fire! We hear you now.
So we get inside ACO town when at the sub-divisional headquarters for ACO sub-division. Now a young girl when they don't just catch him, a thief close. As I'm sure, they don't follow him up or know who took the clothes. And finally they can't discover it. Now the people that they don't tip him, in flagrant delinquency. So now a very sad situation for inside ACO town here. Oh, the doctor don't find this kind of thing happen for inside ACO town here. When you see a young girl like this one way, you don't professionalize yourself with the clothes, you not fine. Run there and say, who push there for a walker? Better walk Jama, better walk Kokoyam, better walk Kasaba, down for pass their time for the team. So as she done for here, we go call on the forces of law and order for really come check this girl for further interrogation. This one now ACO Community Radio News Live.
So when I don't hear now I for NJANGI has for site for ACO, Mr. Carter. And he says now be big man for community radio for side for ACO. We try for give we information for that side. Anyhow we do now so we will take see how Cameroon waka this morning time. So now we get for internal for chapter for calling and at the so repeat them because for Cameroon we know one for year 12. Yes, any man is the one for go against thing way with the talk. So thing way we talk and say when you want call this program off the volume for your TV. No, she don't for corner noise. Yes, I will they don't hear. So now we talk for the one student will die for that incident for side from Cambe. They remove the cops. Now we will talk so tomorrow. Now we will bring them for una. Yes. So they remove the cops from Cambe mortuary. Now we will talk so. Yes, correspondent. It don't finish send with the videos, but now see we not film make them when I see them now. But anyhow. For calling, sometimes we will try for show that only small how it pass for Nkambe mortuary now. So number them we could show when Mr. Francois could now we Ndengi will come back. So when you want call, respect the 20 seconds. You want to again, try way for respect yourself. Off volume for your TV before you call. If you know if you off better than say me you no call. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Good morning. Who do you call the person live outside?
I got a Limbe. When a photo.
Huh?
A photo for Limbe.
Yes, for Limbe, talk me with you 20 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know. Would you vote about Cambe every day? You know, you're coming to for Cambe every day. When there, just for go with other side like Kumba, other side.
Yeah, we know the public Limbe, and even for Limbe with the public Limbe, because Good Samaritan, those way they want for hell of the TV. When something happen, they video them. But if you should have asked, say you go see thing will happen for corner house, how we do with data? So we therefore divide my hand for Limbe, one hand for side. With the show now side with the people then get a time for video and send them. If you do tight with you tight with their data, you don't want to spend your time for video something send up away, you will complain, say you complain with that one na complain for small picking. If you know we get talk for talk, you should don't require. Yeah, country people. They talk different thing, man go drum, they talk different thing, we no make no sense. Hello? Hello?
Hello, General.
Good morning, countryman. Not follow the first person. We don't come confused for you. Who's Yes, for Manfe. How for Manfe, countryman?
Yes, I want to go for that one waiting that close.
Yes, for side for Apple Top.
Yes. But they do what they do, so they go cover that one my face. They don't be able to show that one my face. Because no time, plenty people, the people they receive for Cameroon, they don't show that thing there.
Yes. I said, countryman.
Yes.
How for Manfe, no?
No, Manfe, they go.
Yeah, you don't see one. You will not ever see the shooting for Manfe for this program.
Yes.
So man for Limbe, you will go for you will go for Hello? Black man no like the truth. Only one for complaint. Hello? How man?
Yeah. That shit is a Pascal from Bonzo.
Yes, Bonzo Azaga.
Yeah, did you move it?
What is that?
Okay. Yes, I don't think how they don't look at it so that you don't touch my heart today. Yeah, the only thing that they don't try for that to make the be very vigilant for understanding where they did you up. When I come there, so the more time, all the more just for there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The man, no man, Hello? Hello? We send it all man for side for good morning, sir. Hello? Hello?
Hello,
yeah, I did not come to man.
good morning.
Good morning. Who did call the person then about side?
Thomas, for the phone from Humboldt.
Yes, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas.
Yeah. Sorry.
Man for Limbe and already took on the talk. I don't talk. Simota for turn number 3. So test 16. For make I mean no say I'm a man for all videos. No compensation some man they show now one thing for one side. So Mr. Thomas, what you ever tell you for the man?
I want you to not tell me the person come with it over me.
Where?
They can't come in a poor place. I don't know whether now go to now. We don't know. Don't come with us for this is the place. Go block pay for them. Tire for come there. Now again the rest of the kids for them come. That's over
Anyway, we will only play a prayer.
Yeah, we will play.
Yes. So now Mr. Thomas, he don't tell your uncle to talk, Mrs. I don't answer. Man for Limbe, don't be open her ear. Sometimes no go hide for some place. Yes. Hello?
Hello, General.
Good morning, madam. First, why we don't call the program? Your name and the way you call. Mamindolo from Moyoka and Mamindolo a commander for which village? Okay, but off the volume for your TV first.
Yes, off.
What is that for tell me?
Well, I want to say I'm very sorry for that thing the way they die for Camden.
Yes.
Yes, make the whole heart. But I want to just make all this government is setting matter.
Yes.
Government is setting matter. We don't overload people. We don't overload in them.
Where?
Make government see into it. We cry every day. We pray every day. Make government see what we need to do for setting matter.
Thank you.
Yes, Papa.
We salute those who Mele for Ekona Menge. We salute all man for that side for Malele. We salute all man for your care. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning,
Man for Baminda, what you don't bring today for this story house?
No, I want to like yes. How will it talk about solve the problem? Who will solve the problem? This name will call for me for all culture, for being a leader. We'll talk with them for some place in the Ghana for
yes.
And that is why that is for me. Now they give opening for interview in English and French.
Yes.
They allow you for talk for the people. Every money will be there. Now you control the money. For some people will be getting them free. Maybe they talk. They offer values of money. Now you pronounce their amount 50 million. And I use the money. So all the reports that they want for me and anything will happen from Ghana is I can for. That for me will explain why. Don't explain for Ghana when I did it for me and the matter of the ceremony because nobody that the mayor but that time is supposed to give my brother the permanent landlord may pay for it. He can't go back. So see anything happen from Ghana I knew now for me and I need to talk there they will explain to me and to the public and to the world how that public explain for that place. If you don't talk, they will explain for people. And for people who go to Shebu Papa President, but believe this to me they go up and down like that. It's a better go for the table for something because 20 people administrators that would that they take the people with their money. No money will be dispatched on Ghana. You will care about that, but that's not it. But for me, it's over to 20 million. If they did a thing, that's your house. They need to run their mouth. For me, you will tell this country what will happen about that pump.
Okay. So, Lamford Isaac, as he said, we know they again now for this program. Hello?
Yes, Titus Okutaba.
Huh?
Titus the call from Okutaba.
Yeah, Mr. Titus, ask more volume for your voice. Wait till you get about 10 with Okutaba.
Okay, now for that incident from Canberra, don't happen, so the worry plenty we. My own one talk for this, I say, if mommy them, they will come out for work, I say, they don't solve that, problem if you're fine. Or if tradition, if you work, if you don't make tradition, say, need that, I think will happen. You know, where it don't happen, you don't cut fruits or don't die. You know, will bring better life to that people. But if that come out, you can have message, say, they solve that problem. Because now, only time that things happen, we don't have we are playing the place. So I check, say, if they come out, say, need they solve that problem, it will make sense. Thank you, plenty.
Thank you. Hello? Hello? You don't go. We tell another person. Hello? 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 We salute all man who watch the program for that side for Mundoni. We salute all man for Tico. It is great in Janka we do for that side for Motengo. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, MOKO. Good morning.
Who do for now, sir?
My sympathy, not be somebody called from a monthly. My sympathy, it go with the people from Campe, which way happen for Campe.
Yes.
Yes, my cry, we have to talk for this nation and see, we don't bury so many, and so many, they will still die. My cry, why cry for the people, the way they get a say. That said, one thing make peace even with the enemy, because the enemy is sleep. If this nation, the thing about the people, and even we, the elites, or northwest and southwest, we think about ourselves, let them find a solution for the problem. That's why doctor they need to make peace with enemy. It means every day we cry, and when we cry, they know what help we. When we know one make peace, that's in that one get down. Thank you very much.
We salute to those for Batibo, those for Timber and other people. Then we salute all man for Bali Nyonga and Bali Gashu. We salute Santa and we get all man for Baba. Hello? Hello? Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Who do you call the person to go side?
Maya, the call for your winning.
Maya, the call for Yaoundé. Where do you get for Terry?
I want to know for this thing we have for Ghana, so
Yes.
I really be sorry for people there for the only accident we have for people that really be sorry. After they look onto that matter so that other things they know will happen. Other things they know will happen. So
Thank you.
okay.
We take another person. Hello? Where they had them for inside country, no? Yes. We still the wait man for Limbe where we complain. We be sure say when you send we your element, whether I come off outside, we get for sure. Hello?
Yeah, General MOKO.
Well, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning to for you, how for you, no countryman.
Just the call from Bonaveri.
Join the call for Bonaveri, Mr. John, we hear you.
I talk about what the happen from Kame. When we see him now, we be very critical. We have to talk about it because the man is vulnerable. It for the devil from Kame is a piece. It make him an innocent people that die. You begin to not die because all the beast they are beginning to be saved. The full problem is today. Instead of telling us, we look into the crisis. No one look into the crisis. They didn't only for 4 people. So many come for grandstand. We don't be normal.
Okay. Hello? Hello? You don't go. Good morning.
Hello, sorry, man.
Yeah, hi there.
I be call from you, Madam Joy.
Madam Joy.
Yes, I'm out for talk with me happy for Campbell.
Yes.
I think Jeremy so.
You don't go. Hello?
Yeah.
If you not feel respect, follow the laws then for the program, we not feel accept the noise because people that way they follow the program, not only me, you know they call on me, you call on the program. Big people and they way they follow the program. As when they misbehave, check say sometimes when they call on me, when I know they call on me. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you?
Right, it's fine.
Yes. Who did they call the person being outside?
They call now the producer for Batibo.
Yes. How for Batibo?
No, Batibo is fine.
I really hear.
Yeah, in the bottle.
What you never talk with you now?
Yeah, I want to put that issue we come from Tambe.
Yeah.
Say that in the way the rock cut your foot, and move now try to put try to push on number way at least when we shall already help them.
Yes, that one the incumbent community they get for do that one. But the number will come out because they there for meeting now for see how we not go help them. Now better man is you know they talking about this thing, but it won't help now those with the law. You see so now the kind people and get for exist for this life for long. Good morning, sir.
Hello?
Good morning, madam.
Madam, good morning.
Who will you call the person there for outside?
Madam, from Campbell.
You call for outside now.
I live a mega.
Yes. What you go for talk? Now I feel it that way. Bomb down fire for the.
You are here with an already. But you are part of downtown from Campbell. So I did not say happy for 11 February. Again for enjoy that day. Why? And next day, they try for gather and to separate that. They may expose the person actually why that.
Thank you. Even small picking like they want to understand. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Who do you call?
There was one sample from December.
Yeah, for Bisanga. How for Bisanga?
On December, they fine.
I didn't hear you. 20
I
seconds.
want to know about the incident what happened from Campbell.
Yes.
I talk especially to the lecturer, you like parliamentarian. It's the only time for people say for the protect them. If we pass all the time for the protect people, and for the fine ways they made a solve the problem. It's not the day we are here for young like ye, and for the time we say made a solve not the problem. Ye it also because you know we all between them not there for village.
So next time election they come, try way to for go register, and then you put their yes your name so that they can vote you. You see, no? Yes. Any man want go for that side for your only, but me I don't be me for your says. Hello? Yes. When I see some my work over easy, any man want go for parliament. Hello?
Yeah, good morning. I want us from Kenya.
Yeah, yes. How about the countryman?
Very fine.
We hear you, sir.
Contribution I say that without picking we don't die. I want to see we government even try for even that we give that against state daily access. Yes, because that in that for active service we people that direct for match pass. We that with government about number. We put even number for the way because it's not easy for my born in between. I didn't come up, going to come back. More contribution. Let me put that number. We even when we had to she, we could send until that number.
Yeah, but the problem now say, till we concern person we don't die. Today man, you know they ever touch him for die person. Now if I don't tell when I say the family, the whole meeting now, they could send number, they could publish the number when I would send the money for them. You understand now?
No problem. They go pass through your station.
Yeah, when I say when the number will come out, we go publish and me any man take the number. So we thank you. The second person is good Samaritan. Those were the focus for help person.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, good morning. Good morning, madam. You are on the now. You come outside. Okay, the program not finish. Me man not call again. Countryman. Yes, program don't finish. Mr. Francois, the program don't finish. The program est fini. Will be bilingual. Yes. Leave them. So now we will take 1 minute. Forgive when I talk for upside. First up, now say plenty people are still there for inside dark. When you know something and you get mop, you ask them. Because when you don't quiet, it will show say you know, and when you don't know, when you don't know, and then you will go in for some place, they go to talk. Those where they know, they will talk. You will put their mouth for day after you come up for day with shame. Television, if you ever work now how? We take example. I mean this now. They make program now live. Something could happen now. From van, when I go expect say me, I leave the program. I fly go for van, for go video am so that I can show you tomorrow. And when you did it, you know if you video am, but you dey complain. I be all man not year man for Limbe where they complain say we show na only thing from Campbell. Now because of the people from Campbell they get all that they take all that time for sure the problem then where they get them and they take that money, put credit for that phone, they convert them for data and then send you a report where they happen. If you dey not stingy man, where your village man not send image, something they pass their village, when I know they send them, but when I especially they show them, they will show them how. So when you don't know something, no just come for air, can't talk them. Because you talk and so some man feel love you and ashamed. Man will know you. He don't feel need no say this, so you know nothing where you don't talk and you know be get for talk. So you will get for corner for back and then sometimes we fulfill that you how it ever function. So next time, no make that mistake for any program again because they feel disgrace you. Second thing, I say with the beg the title holder them for fight for Kambe and for Dongam and for Wimbum land. Send me the right now for inside their group, inside their meeting house, for talk about this thing and then put day where they go join and then go one time, go make tradition for that place. Try way for go round for Kambe. For protect the population. Number 3 thing I say, country people them. We don't show when I say this, so you feel go for our page, Facebook. Where the name for the Facebook page, na General MOKO NJANGI House, LTM. You lay your complaint for this, or you lay your complaint for your WhatsApp number. Or you can go for we channel, YouTube channel, where the name NJANGI House. You lay your complaint. Them not all complaint you to bring on live for air. You see them no? So when I go for the YouTube channel, when I try for subscribe, so that means you follow thing where the pass for inside. No, not all thing will fit population. Yes, those where they get caught for that hospital when I don't see them, but if you go for inside with channel, you go see them. So we not fit show them for air because blood they outside. So with the time any man will they participate for this program for calling, and with the time too those where they participate for the program where they send we na panable. And with the time those way they participate for this program way, they send we na videos for all angles for Cameroon. When they hold you make video, you send them for we and then we'll show them. But if you not send them, no they claim, say they know the show thing for your village. Because you tight with the money for put data and that means you be stingy man. So with the time and Mr. Ekep, he did for site for Manfred, and then with the time Mr. Williams, Prince William for side for Kumba, with the town Job Desiree we did for side for Limbe, and with the time to Mr. Carter for site where they call him for site for Ako, with the time to Tanto Tanda where USSF na correspondent with Lambert Kiven, with the time to Freeboy where na I for NJANGI as for site for Santa, with the time to Mr. Francis where na I for LTM for site for Baminda, with the time to Mr. Gaza where they for site for Conjong na I for LTM, with the time to Mr. Valley, he did for site for Douala when I for LTM. Yerema Richard na I for LTM 2 for site for Douala, and Shay Jones, yes, Tampo Jones na so them na them that way they all site, and man where they call and say Gento Baba, he did for site where they call him for Nkambe with man where they call him John Photo, yes, all them they did for that site, and correspondent for site for Ndu Mr. Valentine the Valentine, Tala, we all them they join for make and say me all a work and fine. So with the time Mr. Francois, I even not bought in today, and he not come yesterday, and today we never succeed for Facebook, but before 12 o'clock we go there live for YouTube channel when NJANGI has. Then he called me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where the work out broom for sweep all dirty for country, send them for water carry and go, me Cameroon it clean, me it not the smell. So anyhow we dey. We commit up tomorrow if God will accept. If you get report send and for we will show them. No complain. Me will go. We salute all the fan club. Tomorrow we did together. Bye bye.